Hello everyone. So, in continuation with our previous question that we were working on with respect to HCF, LCM, and basically with respect to your chapter 1 of your 10th class CBSE math paper, math subject. The next question that we're going to deal with is this: find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room 15 meter 17 centimeter long and 9 meter 2 centimeter broad. All right, so let's try to break this question down. So what are you asking? What are they asking you? They've given you a room's length and breadth. So length of room is equal to 15 meter 17 centimeter long, which is nothing but 1517 centimeter. Okay, because you just multiply this by 100, so you're going to get 1500 plus 17, 1517 centimeter, 1517 centimeter. Breadth of room, because it's easier to express this as a whole number instead of decimal, that's why we're doing this conversion. So whenever you get something that's a little bit too complicated in terms of specifically decimals and all, just make it as simple as you can. So your breadth of room is going to be 9 meter 2 centimeter, which is basically 9 into 100, 900 centimeters plus 2, 902 centimeter. Now find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room. So this is the length and breadth of the ceiling of the room. All right, and they want you to find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling. So there are two ways to go about this. One is you find the dimension of the tile. Okay, to find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling, you need to find the highest length and breadth of each square tile, so that the total number of for example, this is the room. Now if my tile size is big, as big as it can be, okay, and it has to be a square tile, so the length and breadth, that is this small l and the small b, has to be same, only then it will be a square. So what's the highest number such that the square tile size is maximum, so that the total number of square tiles required to pave the whole ceiling is going to be minimum. So basically what you want is you want to find the maximum number of tiles. You want to find you should be finding the number of tiles such that their length is maximum. Yeah, it's not the maximum number of tiles, it's the minimum number, so that the number of tiles required is minimum. That's what they're asking for, least number of square tiles required. So that's one way of thinking about it. So you can go ahead and find the HCF of this, right? So if I go ahead and find, say, give me one second, if I go ahead and find the HCF of this, HCF of 1517 and 902, that should be good enough for me to begin with this problem. So let's find first of all HCF factors. For that we need to do prime factorization. Let's do prime factorization for 902. 2 4s are 8, this ends with 2, so it has to be divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, right? This is 11, 4s are 44, remaining 1, 11 1s are 11, correct? And well, this is just divisible by 41. Similarly, if you see 1517, 8 9 10 14, so that's not happening. 11, so 1517, we know that it has to be divisible by a number. Mostly it will be divisible by 41, because if you see, let's try doing long division of 1517 by 41. 41, we know that 41 into what? 41 into 3 is 123, so 3 123, 4 and then 11 10 9 8 4 2 287, 41 sevens are 7 are 7, 4 are 28, so 7, so that gives us 0. So it's going by, so the prime factors of 1517 is going to be 41 and 37. Both of them are not further divisible by anything. So now that you know this, your 902 can be written as 2 into 11 into 41, while your 1517 can be written as 41 into 37. Hence, uh, we can explain your HCF, or we can calculate your HCF to be 41 centimeters, which is basically the length and breadth of your tile, right? L and B of tile. Now, if this is the L and B of your tile, what's the number of tiles that is required? So that total number of the length and breadth of the room is 1517 into 902 divided by the length and breadth of your tile. So that's 41 into 41. So you know 41 goes from here, from 902 you get 2 into 11, and in this case you get, over here you see 1517 divided by 41, you get 37. So that's 37 into 11 2s are 22. So that's 37 into 22. 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 7, plus same 74 over here, you get 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 7, 8, 814. So 814 is the total number of, least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of this particular roof. Alright, so that is the solution to this particular problem, and that's what we've written over here as well. 902 into 11, and this is how it's been divided, and you see it's the same solution that we're getting, and we're getting as we go forward 814 tiles. So that gives us a solution to this problem. Please let us know if you have any further questions, or if you would like to see more such questions, then please visit beyonds.org, and you can take assignments and tests to evaluate yourselves there. All right, thank you and have a good day.